So here we are with our canvas that we made. You can see that's what we made. Okay, so first of all, in this part 2 of actually making the painting, I'm just covering the canvas with black paint, just going over the whole thing. So obviously I've speeded up this videos because it takes quite a while to do. This is also the kind of quickest form of painting that I may do using the Sgraffito kind of technique. The Sgraffito technique is sometimes used by scratching one surface of oil pastel with a knife to reveal another, but it can be a similar technique by a kind of overlayering paint, and you'll see as you watch this kind of how I do that. And it really is just a kind of form of etching, really. So it's a kind of form of painting that's really quite like drawing. And I like it because you can get quick detail, and it's a part of a process of how I make work. I like scratching into things. And I don't have a printing press, so making etchings would be tricky. This is really another way of doing it. So as you can see here that I am just drawing out an outline of a figure. I make paintings and drawings of spines mainly. That's my main subject matter. And as you can see here, I'm then also going into the background. The next step is to get some white paint. I tend to feel my way through the drawing, so I'll scratch in, I'll see what it looks like and feels like, and I'll change it accordingly, really. So I then and I am just now going into what I've etched, creating an extra layer there. It's quite expressive and free. I'm not copying anything. And so I start to smooth into it with the finger. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. In this particular one, it just helps try and form the image. So as you can see, I'm going all over that canvas, kind of unifying it. I'm now taking a print there with the other canvas. Sometimes I do that to change the image, take off excess paint, and kind of create a sort of shadow of that image, so that I can end up making two. Something I started to do is, so you call that a diptych, two paintings that are together. Okay, so now after the paint has dried initially, I'm then going in again to paint some more paint on top. kind of trying to find the image that was there in the initial drawing. This is the last stage, there's nothing more after this, so I'm just putting that layer of paint on and kind of just slightly adjusting tone and some of the kind of shapes that come out. So of course you could do this with all kinds of other colour combinations. In this particular one, it was a bit of an experiment with the different material, kind of foam, and different materials will create different results with the kind of etching, particularly the background. So you might have more of those kind of marks coming through. But I guess I sort of prepare for these kind of things by doing constantly drawing in small sketchbooks, so very much in a flow doing this kind of work.